Hi guys, so I was just delivered something that is a bit of a surprise. I was like, what is this? So it's an auto ship. It's an Anna Griffin auto ship through HSN, and even reading the site I still was kind of confused, but I think it has to do with that card set that was like kind of simplified, so like you can make cards and not be like super intimidated. It was just like a little quick card making kit, and I believe it had an auto ship option. I'm thinking that's what it is, so let's check this out because otherwise I don't know what this is. There's a Simply Anniversary card making kit auto ship. If that's what it is, I don't think when they presented it months ago they showed what the next things would be, and to be honest, I don't know that I make that many anniversary cards, so we will see. But maybe it's pretty in other ways that, you know, I'm super keeping it anyway, right? So I don't know that this is available yet, but if I use other items and always have affiliate links down in the description box, those would be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links. I do love the way this is packaged. I wish she would do this with like all her stuff, because like this is nice and sturdy, and even when you use it, I mean, you can still put other things in it, right? Obviously it says Anna Griffin on the front with the Simply Anniversary card making kit, but really nice. Let's see here. So we have some examples. They do say happy anniversary, but I don't think it screams anniversary. So if you want to pop a different sentiment on there, I think we're still good to go. So I just wanted to see what was on here. So you have all this prettiness. Look at that. Let me move this cord out of the way. Those are really, really pretty. And you know, a shape, I love it. This is a shaped card. So I mean, all you're gonna do is grab your little stickers and things that are in here and pop them on, and I mean, you're good to go. Oh, time to celebrate. So we have some ribbon. Oh my goodness. I was gonna say, did they might have made bows out of it, but what happened is they're using it in the background, you see. And are there bows in here? That's interesting. I do have her gold bows, so there are none in here. Now you can make bows obviously out of this, but I have plenty of her gold bows. Actually, I think I have a pack sitting right here. I just saw it right here. See? So it's the same gold. This is from a Christmas card making kit, but I was using some of those to share with them. I think I shared them in like a swap or something. So we have these beautiful pieces. Oh, they are double-sided. Oh, this is so pretty, you guys. Okay, even if it's anniversary, I would keep it anyway, just because, how are you going to put foil on the back? Both sides of this are so gorgeous. Oh my gosh. So pretty. And then I have this in her paper. I like a paper pack that has that same design. Look at how beautiful that one is. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. And I have this paper pack too. I think it might have been in the same paper pack. But I don't recall these beautiful birds being in there, so we will have to get some of that. Dimensional adhesive, really nice. Shaped card bases. I'm telling you, it's a really cute idea, this card set or auto ship, because it's, like I said, a little simplified, right? You're just gonna pop some things on. It is very easy, like sending all best wishes. Now, I do not care for that they already have another sentiment on the inside, because let's say that doesn't make sense, right? Or something. I'm sure it does. You already know I'm gonna get tongue-tied. Celebrating the joys of today, the memories of yesterday, and the hopes of tomorrow. I think that might work for other things. We would probably have to cover that up. Now, I don't know if I have a die shape like this, so wishing you many happy memories. Okay, that works. You know, obviously the inside, yeah. With sincere congratulations, wishing you all the best. Okay. I think it can be used for more than just happy anniversary type things. They're upside down now, or backwards. Together is a wonderful place to be. Love that. And this one, oh, that's the other thing. I'm looking at the sentiments. Look how pretty the card bases are. And this one says happy anniversary. So that definitely has a happy anniversary feel. Your card bases, and I'm assuming there's 12. Let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Yes, 12. And then our stickers and our sentiments. So we saw a lot of the sentiments in the examples there. So we have happy anniversary. Again, these are stickers on this special day. With all best wishes. I mean, this would be good for wedding too, right? I will always love you, thinking of you. That's good on this special day. Happy anniversary, just for you, time to celebrate. Wishing you all the best. Very nice. I hear my son coming down the stairs. Okay, and then, I mean, just a ton of layered flowers. We have like some bands here. Yeah, this is really nice. I think I enjoy this one better than the other one, other than that it's like anniversary related, but like really, really pretty. Look at that. And then we have like, you know, your little flourishes, some beautiful leaves, these little kind of bands, and not a ton of them, you know, there's just a couple in here. Something cute. Are these stickers too? I can't really tell. People always tell me, like, if it's white on the back, it's a sticker, and if it's like beige, it's cardstock. And I'm like, do you think I can tell the difference between the white and the beige? But I guess that should help us. Not so much. Okay, so let me think about which card base I would like to use, and then we'll just go from there. I don't know that I'll be using this today, so I can probably put that away. Put this away. So we're looking for something. These are so pretty. Sending all best wishes. I mean, that's great. How about, oh, how do you cover that, you know? And this is the thing, maybe you don't use these pieces, right? Maybe you just leave that beautiful, let's do that. Let's use this guy just so we have an example. And then maybe because we're leaving it kind of bare, maybe we do pop on like one of these guys. I don't know if the pink, I feel like this one matches better, although, you know, I love pink. And then, you know, let's look at the examples. So, oh, look at this. They do have this one matched up with the pink, but it's a little bit different because it's the background, and then they used, you know what I'm saying, it's a blue card base, and then they use this guy, but, you know, however you want to do that. You know, this one, they brought it down lower, popped on these different things, using more of a belly band. Again, here we have just layered up. Oh, gosh, so pretty. I kind of like the way this one is down here, where it's kind of down at the lower end. Let's see what that might look like. So we have that there. And let's put these things to the side now too. I guess I should pop them back in the plastic bag they came in. And we can just kind of build things up. I mean, I don't know if I want that much gold. This is a sticker, that's right. So let's pretend that's there. And maybe some of these larger flowers. Do they have larger ones? Oh, look at this one. That's cool. It's just leaves. That's interesting. I suppose if you want to pair it up with a rose, that feels like it's backwards. See, that doesn't feel like they're facing the same way. That one already has, what is going on here? I guess it's just something to tuck away. Yeah, interesting. Ooh, see, that's too much white. Okay, so I'm gonna go through and see what I would want to pop here and there. What did it say on the inside again? Celebrating the joys of today, the memories of yesterday, and the hopes of tomorrow. So that's definitely not what I would want, and I'm probably going to cover that up. So I would just die cut something in a shape to fit in there. And let's see. Well, with all best wishes. Let's see what we can do. And again, these things don't have to be flat. That's the other thing. They can be popped up a little bit more. We have a lot going on here. What is this one? Something interesting. Okay, I'm just going to play with these until I think it looks good. I don't know. We will see. Okay, I will be right back. This may be a little odd, but let's go with this. You know, I wanted to put like some of these guys, but it's just a lot of gold because of the background. And again, that's why she has topper pieces. Obviously, you break that up. But I really want that background to show, see what we can do. So I'm going to hold this down real quick. And I'm thinking about, okay, let's remove this. It was already coming off, so, well, it was, and now, of course, oh, sorry, guys. Let's see here. Come on, buddy. Okay. And I'm just going to try to slide this under here to not mess up too much of everything else that's going on. Just so I have some registration point. It's right to the end there. And then I'll see if I can slide this out. That'd be great. So I'm going to slide this out from underneath. Again, I'm not sure if that's a sticker. I don't really want to gouge at it too much, so I'm just going to put some glue either way. And I'm trying to keep it down to the lower. I know it was crawling up as we were working with it. So let's pretend that was right down in here. Yeah, it's messing with some stuff, but that's okay. So a little bit down to the lower areas. And then I feel like this guy was tucked back behind. So again, that is a sticker. And yay! One time I poked through enough so that it went to the other side. So just be careful if you're doing that kind of thing. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let's get this guy out of the way. I don't normally like covering up all the greenery, but it's kind of how it worked out this time. So let's say, like right in here. Is that where we had it? Just about. I'm not pushing anything quite down. Quite down? Down quite yet. What's funny is I think because they're so simple, you start overthinking it. I wanted more of the greenery to show on this one. Oh, no. Is that where I had it? Did I have it like this? You guys remember? I don't remember. I know people say, take a picture of it. I'm like, I forget. Okay. Somewhere like in there. And I am pushing that down now a little bit harder. And then this one here also tucks behind my little sticker. And then that'll be it, you guys. I mean, I already forgot why I had this. It was in here somewhere. Do we want some greenery to show? I do, but maybe it's not that important. Right there. I'm not gonna push that down quite yet. And then I just kind of trapped this guy the way I was doing things. You know what, I guess I can move this first. I'm gonna put glue, just in case I have to arrange it a little bit. But basically he tucked under there and he tucked under here. Right, oh, a little higher up. No, no, no. Something like that. Let's bring it up a little bit more. Let me see again what we're doing with this guy. Was he in there? Was he underneath? Oh, was he underneath? Because now I'm covering that up. Yeah. You know, my whole thing is like, I want to show some of the greenery. So maybe let it poke out down there. Nah, that's okay. Okay. Alright guys, and that is what I came up with today. You know, just loading it up with those flowers. Again, still relatively thin. I mean, this is very mailable. I mean, look at that. Right? I mean, it's not like towering over here with all these different things, but I think this is very lovely. Alright. Well, I'm glad I got in on that auto ship. Like I said, it's hard to see or what's coming up, or I don't even think they give the examples during the presentation. And to be honest, I don't even know that I watched the presentation. I just know I saw there was an auto ship on a card kit and it was like in the 30s. And I was like, you know what? That's for me. So there we go. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll have images coming up. If, you know, any links are available, they'll be in the description box. And I'll see you guys at the next one. Bye now.